Hey kids, Africa, today, we're going on an exciting adventure to learn about different countries in the world. A country is a big area where people live, speak their own languages, and have their own cultures. We will pick a few countries, spell their names and identify them with their flags. Let's travel the world together through learning. Nigeria. N.I.G.E.R.I.A. Nigeria. United States. U.N.I.T.E.D.S.T.A.T.E.S. United States. India. I.N.D.I.A. India. China. C.H.I.N.A. China. Brazil. B.R.A.Z.I.L. Brazil. Australia. A.U.S.T.R.A.L.I.A. Australia. United Kingdom. U.N.I.T.E.D.K.I.N.G.D.O.M. United Kingdom. South Africa. S.O.U.T.H.A.F.R.I.C.A. South Africa. Canada. C.A.N.A.D.A. Canada. Japan. J.A.P.A.N. Japan. France. F.R.A.N.C.E. France. Germany. G.E.R.M.A.N.Y. Germany. Egypt. E.G.Y.P.T. Egypt. Mexico. M.E.X.I.C.O. Mexico. Each country has a unique flag and story. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.